All right, we're back with you at 6:19 on this Wednesday. A local company looking to expand in Rochester. Amal Hillel has more.
This morning, we are joined by Paul Towers, the president and CEO of Vuzix, a local company that recently announced plans to expand its operations in Rochester. Paul, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Yeah, Amal, it's my pleasure. Thanks for having us on.
Of course. So your company has been leading the augmented reality wearable technology industry. Tell me a little bit about your company's plans to grow here in Rochester.
Well, we've been here actually for 25 years, and we have a crew of folks that have gone from maybe 7 people to today we're upwards of 100 people here in Rochester, and more so around the world. And we have this waveguide business, which is part of the smart glasses. They're the displays that you look into, and you can see some of the guys behind me here have like glasses on that look like conventional glasses. Those waveguides are what enable that, the lenses in the front. And literally, when you put those on, it's like something's floating out in front of you. We're expanding that portion of our business. We are enabling third parties by supplying them these waveguides to make the broader markets more accessible to Vuzix, and we're doing that right here in Rochester, New York. So the manufacturing facility is what we're expanding. The building that we're in today, there's another one just like it, a sister to it, right next door. And yeah, we took the lease, I think, in October.
That is very cool technology there. So how are companies utilizing your wearable display technologies to enhance business operations?
Yeah, I mean, they're used all over the place, actually. There's some vertical markets that I think are using them the most today, the medical space, by way of example. We work with companies like Pixie Medical that you put our glasses on, you look at the person's knee, you're doing knee surgery. The glasses literally tells the doctor when the knee is aligned right for the pin so they can screw the pins in, and the glasses are the ones doing all that measurement. There's probably not an hour of the day that goes by where our glasses are not being used in some medical facility. Amazon using them in their warehouses. There's large retailers that are starting to use them for warehouse picking and packing. It's the very beginnings of changing the world. I mean, smart glasses are going to be a replacement for the phone, and so you can imagine when you can connect the digital world to the real world, you can do a lot of things with that.
It really is fascinating. So you have operations in Japan and the UK. So why do you continue to invest in your Rochester-based operation?
Well, the Rochester's headquarters, it's our manufacturing and engineering and design center. Everything that we build and design comes out of Rochester, New York. The facilities that we have around the world are primarily for business development and for marketing and sales, those kinds of things. So, Rochester's, it's our home front. It makes sense to expand here. Plus, Rochester is an optics center of the world. The University of Rochester, Eastman Kodak Company, all of these companies came out of that, Xerox and the likes, and there are a lot of optics capabilities here, and that's really what Vuzix is. Yes, we're a smart glasses company, but everything centers around optics, and you could not get a better place than Rochester, New York to do that.
All right, Paul, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate your insight into this growing field.
Amal, it was a pleasure again. Thank you.
Of course. For more information, just head over to our website, rochesterfirst.com.